This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Walmart. Walmart is an American multinational retail corporation founded in 1962. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. Also, thank you to those who already subscribed and like my videos. It means a lot. Just a reminder that I have no positions in this company, so I'll give an unbiased viewpoint. We will start out the technical analysis by going over what I see in the daily chart and potential price targets. Then we will wrap it up by looking at the long-term pattern of the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Walmart, and the first thing that I noticed is that price was in a downtrend before selling off right here, and then we had a reversal, a V bottom. I'm going to go ahead and put some drawing tools on here, such as the parallel channel. As you can see here, this channel was holding really nicely, and then we had a breakout side and a move to a new low, and then we reversed, and then price went inside of this uptrend right here from this low. And if I were to draw it up, we got this uptrend. I'm going to change the color so it differentiates itself from the downtrend. Let's make it blue. And as you can see here in that down move, there was a gap right here. I'm gonna go ahead and circle it. You can see here there was a gap. There's no price action in this gap, and then price came back to fill it back in May 18th. See that tick of this candle? It came right up to where the gap was. So in this uptrend, price was moving sideways right here, broke out the low side, broke out the high side before making a new high, and then we sold off and pushed up to a new high again. So now we're just going sideways because the trend uptrend is complete. So it's kind of like a stationary period for the buyers and sellers. They're deciding on what to do right now. However, I do see more upside because the range that we're in currently will always break out. Oh, not always, but most of the time there's a higher chance it will break out with the prevailing trend, and the prevailing trend is an uptrend. So that means if we were to break out to the higher side, we would get a measured move up. And if I were to do that, this was the first leg, and then this is the second leg up. And it takes us right back up to the highs that Walmart was previously at. And it's at 152 level. I'm going to put a horizontal line there, and then I'm going to show you guys the percentage gain. There you go, horizontal line. Percentage gain from now on would be about a 7 to 8% move up. However, if price just stays inside of this range, then we could just come back to the lows and come back to the highs. But there's a higher chance they're probably going to break out this time. And if we were to break out the same size as the range, which price usually does with this measured move, you can see pretty much reaches the same target, just a couple of dollars off. Another reason why I can see the price going up for Walmart is because of this channel that potentially looks like it's in play. This one right here, we had about 3 to 4 touches on the top side, and then we had a swing over here. So if I draw the line connecting these two swings and the 4 touches on top, it makes sense that price would come up to here because this is the upper side of the channel. Price goes back and forth between the top side and lower side of channels. So that's a good point, a reference point for price to reach. So that pretty much takes care of the daily chart. I see price is going sideways right now, so either we're going to stay in the range if we don't break this high of 143 and come back to the lows, or if we do have a successful breakout and we get a retest of the range and it finds support, price will continue to trend higher up to the highs, the previous highs of Walmart, and probably even break it this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the weekly chart. So here we have the weekly chart for Walmart, and it shows a lot of strength to the upside. So this was the channel that I noticed on the daily chart right here, and then we had a breakout side, move to new high, and now we sold off. Now we're moving up for the second leg. That's what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that target back on. It was at that 152 level right there, about right there. I'm gonna move it a little lower. That's pretty close. That's close enough. So it's right up to the high Walmart previously was at, but this time it probably stopped them out. There were shorts who have the stop losses up here. And also I'm going to show you guys the larger trend that Walmart looks like it still is in right now. So it's been going up since 2016, actually 2015 of November, and it's inside of this really big channel, this one right here. So first I thought it was right here, the highs of the channel, but then we had this overshoot right here. So normally if we have an overshoot, I just drag it up over there, and then if you see that the midline fits pretty nicely too. So this looks like the channel that Walmart is respecting. We got a lot of touches on the lower side, but you got a lot of support and resistance on this midline, and then the upper side you got 2 touches. So normally if price came off the higher side, we'll come back to the lower side. However, price came back to test this breakout level right here at the 130 level and found some support, and we broke above the EMA, and we're finding support at the midline. So there's a lot of support, and price is too strong to come all the way back down. So we'll probably get another push up before selling off. So there you have my analysis for Walmart. It looks like we're in the formation of the second leg right now. So if that plays through, the target is the 153 level and maybe even a little more. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised on what you could learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also, share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since we'll want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time. Bye.